Hello friends, today I want to show you not just beautiful, but also healthy salad options that will look perfect on your holiday table and most importantly will not raise your blood sugar levels. These are two low-carb salads that you can make both for a keto menu and for any regular festive gathering. First salad, chicken, mushrooms, and caramelized onion chicken breast. Champignon mushrooms, 1 large onion, walnuts, and lettuce leaves, iceberg, romaine, or napa cabbage. For the dressing, just mayonnaise. Slice the onion into half rings. No need to cut too finely. This is one of the key components of the salad, and it should be noticeable in texture. Cut the mushrooms into large pieces so they keep their bite. Sauté the onion in a mixture of olive oil and ghee until soft and golden. Then add the mushrooms and cook everything together until nicely colored. Season with salt and pepper. Boil the chicken breast in salted water until fully cooked. Let it cool slightly, then cut it into pieces any way you like. Tear the lettuce leaves into pieces and place them in a bowl. Add the chicken, dress with mayonnaise, and mix thoroughly so everything is well coated. Place the salad base on a serving plate. Top generously with the warm mushroom and onion mixture, then sprinkle with chopped walnuts. The result is a bright, satisfying, and aromatic salad. Second salad, squid, salmon, and eggs in layers. Lightly salted salmon, squid, rings or tubes, cheese, cherry tomatoes, boiled eggs, fresh herbs, green onion, dill. The dressing is a mix of mayonnaise, mustard, and lemon juice. To keep squid tender, place it in rapidly boiling salted water, and once the water returns to a boil, cook for exactly 1.5 minutes. Then drain immediately. Leaving squid in hot water will make it rubbery. Mix 1 teaspoon of mustard, a little lemon juice, and mayonnaise until smooth. Cut the squid into small cubes and place it as the first layer. Top with chopped boiled egg, a little dressing, then diced salmon, quartered cherry tomatoes, more dressing, grated cheese, and finish with fresh herbs for decoration. This salad is colorful, layered, and full of flavor. It looks great as an individual serving or in a large mold for the center of the table. Bonus idea. You can also quickly prepare a low-carb caprese salad. Arugula, mozzarella, cherry tomatoes, olive oil, and fresh basil. It looks festive, takes just minutes to prepare, and contains no unnecessary carbs. These two delicious and beautiful salads can easily be part of your menu without causing blood sugar spikes. They're simple, healthy, and will help you enjoy the holidays without harming your health. Recipe taken from the channel, Keto and Low Carb Recipes.